This video shows how to develop the cash flow for this project that develops generators. We were given that the initial development costs in the first year was 300 million, so we will key in minus 300 million as the cost. The construction costs incurred in the second year is again 300 million, and in year 3 again 300 million. Once the project is completed at the end of year 3, we will start to receive revenue. And in year 4, we should receive 250 million. And we will receive 250 million for the next 15 years. So from year 4, we copy 250 million to year 18. Now, at the same time, we're given that the maintenance cost is 15 million. So again, we put in minus 15 into the maintenance cost, and we will incur this the moment that the power plant is put into operation. So this 15 million will be incurred continually for the next 15 years. So we copy to year 18. And to operate this plant, we have to find the raw material, in this case the coal, which costs us 30 million each year. So that is the cost of minus 30 million, and we copy that again to year 18. So if you look at the net cash flow for each year, in year 1, it costs us 300 million, but there is nothing else. So if we add this column up using sum of B5 to B9, it should give the total cash flow in that year. So what you can do then is to copy that formula across to each year until year 18. So for example, in year 4, you can see that we are adding up E5 to E9. In this particular year, we received 250 millions, but it costs us 45, so the net cash flow is 205. So from year 4 to 18, we have the same amount of cash inflow and outflow. Then the net cash flow is the same, so you can copy the formula across. Next, we need to work out the cumulative cash flow. The cumulative cash flow is what you incur that year plus what has been accumulated from the year before. For the first year, because there is nothing, it's the first time, it is exactly the same as the year before. In the second year, it should be what we incurred here plus the cash flow before. So the formula is B11, the cumulative cash flow from the year before, plus C10, the net cash flow this year. So that will give you minus 600,000. You can copy this formula to the subsequent cell, which is D10 plus C11. And you can copy this formula across, and you should be able to work out the net cash flow for the whole 18 years.